Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To print a copy of your tasks in Outlook, open the Tasks folder. Then click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Print command at the left side of the Backstage view. To set the printing options, click the Print Options button that appears to the right to open the Print dialog box. Under Print Style, you can select Table Style to print your entire task list. Alternatively, if you had selected a task in the Tasks folder before printing, then you can also choose the Memo Style choice to print the details of the selected task. If your tasks list is longer than a single page and you only want to print selected pages, then choose the Pages option under the Page range and then enter the pages to print into the adjacent field. If you selected the Table Style, you can also select a print range of task rows to print. To print only selected rows or tasks, you must first select them in the task list before opening the Print dialog box. If you have the Memo Style selected, you can check the Print Attached Files. Attachments will print to the default printer only checkbox to print files attached to the task to your default printer. In the Copies section, enter the number of copies to print and check the Collate Copies checkbox to ensure collated printing. To print directly from the Print dialog box, then click the Print button. Alternatively, click the Preview button to return to the Backstage view to see a preview of your tasks list. You can then click the Print button in the Backstage view to print the task list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.